All right, digital warriors, content creators, and fellow travelers on the bumpy road of online obscurity, gather round the virtual campfire. Today we're not just talking SEO, we're talking about survival. We're talking about climbing out of the Google graveyard and into the glorious sunshine of actual human eyeballs landing on your precious work. Let me paint a picture you might recognize. You, bleary-eyed at 2 a.m., staring at your website analytics. That traffic graph isn't climbing a mountain. It's more like a flat line, with occasional terrifying dips. You whisper desperate pleas to the algorithm gods. You've read the blogs, watched the videos, maybe even bought the Get Rich Quick with SEO ebook promising traffic tsunamis. Spoiler, it involved selling magic beans. Didn't work. My journey into the SEO jungle, where I got eaten by keyword spiders, repeatedly. I was there. My website? Let's call it cricketsrus.com. My traffic? You could count my daily visitors on one hand. And 3 of them were me refreshing the page. Something had to change. So, like any good guinea pig for digital progress, I decided to test drive 5 popular SEO tools. My mission: find the Holy Grail, the Excalibur of search rankings, the thing that would finally make my content sing instead of sigh. Contestant number 1, the overwhelming overlord. This tool promised the moon, the stars, and the entire galaxy of data. Keywords, backlinks, competitor analysis, technical audits. It dumped so much information on me, I felt like Neo seeing the Matrix code for the first time. Except less cool, and more like I needed a nap and a strong coffee. It identified 487 potential issues with my site. 487. Fixing them felt like trying to untangle Christmas lights after a toddler's had them for an hour. Did I learn things? Absolutely. Was it actionable right now to get traffic? My crickets were still chirping. Verdict: powerful but paralyzing, like giving a caveman a spaceship manual. Next, contestant number 2, Captain Obvious and the keyword stuffers. This one loved keywords, loved them, to the point of obsession. It told me I needed to rank for best blue widget for left-handed gardeners in Antarctica during a solar eclipse. Niche? Sure. Actual search volume? Probably my mom once, by accident. It generated hundreds of long-tail keywords with the enthusiasm of a hyperactive puppy, but zero guidance on which ones mattered or how to weave them in naturally. My content started sounding like a robot having a keyword seizure. Buy best blue widget purchase, blue widget discount, blue widget online, blue widget cheap. You get the picture. Traffic result? My bounce rate looked like a ski jump. Verdict: useful for brainstorming, dangerous for actual writing. Pass. Contestant number 3, the backlink black hole. Ah, backlinks, the mythical currency of SEO. This tool promised to find me golden opportunities. Instead, it unearthed a graveyard of spammy directories, abandoned forums, and sites offering link building services from suspiciously named SEO gurus based in undisclosed locations. Chasing these felt like trying to get a date by shouting your phone number into a hurricane, a colossal waste of time and energy, potentially harmful to my site. My traffic didn't just stagnate, it looked like it was considering witness protection. Verdict: terrifying. Avoid unless you enjoy digital quicksand. Contestant number 4, the slow and steady tortoise, who might be asleep. This tool was fine. It gave decent technical suggestions, fixed some broken links, made my site a bit faster. Good, solid, foundational stuff. Important? Absolutely. Revolutionary? Did it make my traffic skyrocket? Nah. It was like putting premium fuel in a car stuck in first gear. Necessary, but not the spark plug I needed. My traffic inched up, like snail racing in treacle kind of inching. Verdict: essential maintenance, not the ignition key. Folks, this wasn't just another tool. This was the mindset shift. This was the moment the fog lifted. This tool didn't just throw data at me, it translated it for me. It didn't just find keywords, it found intent. It didn't just list competitors, it showed me exactly what they were doing right, and more importantly, what gaps they left wide open. Instead of 487 problems, it said, here are your top 3 critical issues killing your traffic. Fix these today. Instead of a million random keywords, it said, "Here are the 5 high-intent phrases your ideal audience is desperately searching for right now. Create this content." It showed me not just if my content was good, but how to make it 10 times better than the competition already ranking. It connected the dots between keyword research, content structure, user engagement signals, and technical SEO in a way that finally made sense. It wasn't about gaming the system. It was about genuinely serving the searcher better than anyone else. And the tool guided me, step by step, to actually do it. The skyrocket moment. Cue the fireworks. I implemented what the Clarity Catalyst showed me. I focused ruthlessly on user intent. I crafted content designed to genuinely answer burning questions, solve real problems, and deliver insane value. I fixed those critical technical issues. I optimized for engagement, not just keywords. And then I waited. Okay, I refreshed analytics every 5 minutes. Old habits die hard. Week 1, a slight tremor. A few more crickets fell silent. Week 2, the graph twitched upwards. Was that? No, couldn't be. Week 3, whoosh. Like a rocket finally breaking free of gravity. My organic traffic didn't just climb, it launched. We're talking 300%, 400% increases. Pages that languished in page 50 plus suddenly popped onto page 1. Real comments started appearing. Real emails. Real opportunity. It wasn't magic. It wasn't luck. It was clarity plus action. This tool cut through the noise and showed me the levers that actually moved the needle. It empowered me to stop guessing and start executing a winning strategy. So, what's the real secret sauce? The tool was vital, yes. But the real revelation? Understanding why it worked. It taught me that skyrocketing traffic isn't about finding a single magic button. It's about mastering intent, knowing exactly what your dream audience is searching for and why. Creating 10x content, not just good content, but content so valuable, so comprehensive, so utterly brilliant that it demands to rank. Strategic focus, ignoring the 487 distractions and zeroing in on the 3 things that will make 80% of the difference right now. Empowerment, not overwhelm. Having a guide that translates complex data into simple, actionable steps you can actually do. That winning tool, it was the key that unlocked this understanding. It transformed me from an SEO tourist, fumbling with a phrasebook, into a confident navigator with a detailed map and a powerful engine. Your turn to launch. Your journey doesn't have to take as long as mine. You don't have to waste time and money on tools that promise the world, but deliver confusion or crickets. You deserve clarity. You deserve results. You deserve to see your traffic graph look like a SpaceX launch, shift to direct, passionate call to action. This is where you take control. Smash that like button. Did this resonate? Did it save you months of frustration? Let me know. Subscribe right now. Why? Because we're just getting started. I'm on a mission to demystify online success, cut through the BS, and give you the real strategies that work. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next breakthrough. Share this video widely. Tag that friend who's still lost in the SEO jungle. Share it in your mastermind group. Post it on your socials. Let's build an army of people who understand how to win online, not just spin their wheels. Sharing is caring, and it helps this message reach more amazing creators like you. Click the link in the description. This is crucial. Inside that link, you'll find the exact resources I use to go from crickets to crushing it. We're talking in-depth educational guides, breakdown SEO, content marketing, monetization, no fluff, just actionable steps. Power-packed ebooks, deep dives into specific strategies, keyword research mastery, content optimization blueprints, affiliate marketing secrets, inspirational and practical manuals, mindset shifts, productivity hacks, systems to build your online empire efficiently, curated tools and resources, my personal recommendations, including the Clarity Catalyst, category winner, to accelerate your journey. These aren't just products, they're your cheat codes. They're the distilled wisdom, the battle-tested tactics, the exact roadmap I wish I had when I started. They will teach you everything you need to build genuine authority, attract floods of targeted traffic, create multiple income streams, and achieve the wealth and freedom you dream of online. Don't wander in the dark for another day. Don't waste another dollar on tools that don't deliver. Don't let your incredible content go unseen. Click that link. Arm yourself with knowledge. Equip yourself with the right strategies. It's time to build your legacy. It's time to skyrocket. Let's go get that traffic. See you in the next video. Now go click that link.